million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just
what you end up doing? I'm back with some synthetic drip from one of my most favorite synthetic wig makers. And when I say one of my most favorite, they're in my top 2 most favorite synthetic wig makers, and that's Sensational, y'all. I absolutely love them because what I can give Sensational over any other company, they are going to bring you such a variety of wigs, whether it's butter, whether it's Dashley, whether it's Dashley lace. Like they're gonna bring so many different types of wigs, so I absolutely love them for that. So Sensational dropped another unit in the Dashley lace collection. This one is in 2 colors, okay? And I want y'all to tell me which one y'all like better, because I have an idea which one I'm gonna like better. But anyway, this one is in the style Lace Unit 22 to show you how many they brought us, because you got Dashley with no lace and you got Dashley lace. She comes with HD lace, a deep center part. What else? It's heat safe from 350 to 4 degrees. Now I got her in 2 colors. I got her in Chunky Highlight Blonde, and I got her in Money Piece Hazel. But she comes in tons of colors. Y'all know those colors by now. And that's what she's looking like on the stock card. To be honest with you, if you've been wearing synthetic wigs for a long time, do y'all remember an old school Sensational wig called Maylene? She was the sister to Enna. Enna was bone straight, but Maylene had them little flips. That's what she's giving me, right? Look at these colors. That's Money Piece Hazel. I'm thinking I'ma like this one because I'm giving real fall. And this one is the Chunky Blonde Highlight. Oh, I was gonna say, where are the highlights? They threw out the wig, you see them? Both are very pretty. As far as cap construction, you get a comb in the back, adjustable straps, a comb at the right, a comb at the left, and that deep center part. I've already cut off the lace, okay? We're gonna put her on our little ball head, and I'm gonna do all that moving around stuff, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. All right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig. This wig is so bomb.com to me. I'm gonna be honest, I do like this color better, which is surprising because y'all know I love an ash light blonde, but this hazelnut is just a beautiful color. It might be with the skin, lip, the shirt. It is absolutely beautiful. The other thing, it'll be interesting to go watch other people's reviews. The other thing is, I'm able to get my hands straight through these, and it might be because of the texture. You see it got a little yak to it, little yak, right? Just a little bit of yak. So it's not too silky. not too yucky. It's just that perfect blend that I love. The only complaint I think I would have is I like what this curl is doing better than this curl. And I keep trying to make it do it, but it ain't doing what I need it to do. But it is a beautiful wig, y'all. How many of y'all remember Maylene? In the comments, tell me if y'all wore Maylene and Inna. No, am I talking Maylene? Yeah, and there was, y'all remember it was Perm Romance and Perm Wedge. That's what I'm thinking of, Perm Wedge. That looked just like this, but it is updated, upgraded, and I definitely recommend these. I'm probably gonna go order this wig in a black just to keep it on hand because it's a bop. Definitely recommend, and it's affordable. I'm gonna try to remember a few places we can go pick it up, but if not, like I always say, just Google Dashley Lace 22 and she'll populate on many websites. I either got this from Wig Types, Sam's Beauty, Elevate Styles, or So Good BB. No telling, because I ordered all them darn wigs. But just Google it and you can find your best price. Absolutely gorgeous. I definitely recommend that you pick this one up. So like I always say, maybe you aren't into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Maylene. Maybe it's your Uncle Marvin, whichever one. Send them my way. And me and Sensational gonna get them right. Sensational is doing the doggone thing, y'all. Until next time, which is gonna be very, very soon. Bye. Ooh, Lord. Bye.